a product from you guys some weeks ago.
Some ice?
No, a product from you
A
guys.
product?
Yeah.
We sell ice.
Oh, you sell ice?
Yeah, we're an ice company.
Oh, I was just wondering, where do you get the ice?
We make it.
Okay, so do you like have chemicals in it or something like that?
What kind of ice are you looking for? Ice or dry ice?
Well, I was wondering if I could buy like 2 kilos of ice.
Say that again?
If I could buy 2 kilos of ice.
Ice or dry ice?
Dry ice.
Dry ice is different than regular ice.
Yeah, I know. That's what I wanted. I want to
You're
try
looking
something
to freeze
different.
stuff? Are you looking to freeze stuff?
Yes, I'm looking to freeze my arm off.
Ha.
I'm serious. I'm looking to freeze my arm off.
Okay. It's not safe to do.
I know.
They're not going to sell it to you if you do that.
Okay, what would you say if I froze a 5-year-old's arm off?
Still not going to happen.
Oh, but can you like just get some ice and like throw it in the nearest window that you see? Because that might be my house. I don't know.
You can't use it to throw at people.
No, but you're supposed to throw it at me.
Is this a joke?
No.